Okay, so hi y'all. I've been gone for a really long time because I'm not really, I'm not a professional. So I'm not a professional YouTuber, although I wish I was, but I'm not. And so I'm going to jump back into it and I'm going to do an unboxing of my EveryPlate. This is probably the fourth, maybe fifth box I've got in so far. And so far I'm pretty much liking it. Although a couple boxes I was missing the button mushrooms for the recipe, but the recipe still came out okay. Both of them did, despite that. But yeah, I was missing my button mushrooms. So here we go. We're gonna unbox EveryPlate. EveryPlate is a meal subscription where they give you either meals for 2 people or 4 people, and everything is pre-packaged in little individual serving sizes of what you need to cook the meal. So, with no further ado, here we go. So first things first is we have these really gorgeous recipe cards. On the front side you have what the recipe is, and it shows you here what you're gonna need for this recipe. And then you flip it over and it'll show you step by step, you know, with enough pictures. You know, I like pictures. So anyway, what I do is after I'm done cooking the recipe, I hole punch it and I put it into my recipe book here. So right here, my recipe book. Alright, and it looks like I'm gonna have to take this box off of here because it's really blocking the light. And then of course they give you this perk pack, and this is basically trying to get you to subscribe to, I don't know, KiwiCo, something for kids, I don't know what this is, tailored for dogs or animals, and that's it. Last time it was some wine subscription, and the time before that it was, what was it, Grove Collaborative, which I do want to try Grove Collaborative eventually. So here's a bag of, I think this is like the sour cream and things like that. So, you know, you get your spring onions, Brussels sprouts, basmati rice, carrots, zucchini, cannellini beans, the onions looking a little in bad shape. This one's pretty decent. Luckily for me though, I have extra yellow onions. Because of EveryPlate, I buy now the little Yukon Gold potatoes instead of the dirty Idaho potatoes because it saves a lot of time. You just quickly rinse them and chop them up, quarter them up, and roast them for 25 minutes at 450. Learned that from EveryPlate too. It can never get roasted potatoes right. This looks like sesame seeds. I'm not quite sure. I don't have my glasses on. So this is Parmesan cheese, broccoli, some potatoes, a slice of bread. I'm not quite sure what recipe this is that has 1 slice of bread, another zucchini, and it looks like 1 clove of garlic. That was pretty dirty. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 potatoes, but the potatoes are looking pretty rough too. The first ones I got were really beautiful, but I don't know, these ones are kind of rough looking. So what I'll do is I'll just keep these aside because they don't have to be refrigerated in a line. And I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm going to go ahead and put anything that has to be refrigerated, I'm going to put in here in this bag. I try to keep them separated from what came in the week before because sometimes I don't have time to catch up with everything. So I get a little behind with my recipes. So hopefully I'm only a week behind right now. So that being said, I would suggest just going going light until you get used to what your rhythm is with meal prep and cooking. So, oh look, it's a little tiny, looks like a tiny piece of ginger. I don't know about that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put this all in the bag and put it in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and put the sesame seeds in there too, because it can't hurt to refrigerate your sesame seeds. Anyway, oh, not done yet. Then they send you the individual portions of meat. So this is chicken, ground beef, and they put these ice packs in it. Pretty solid. Oh, Atlantic salmon. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the freezer right away. They have Recycle Me instructions on here on how to recycle those. It says clean and dry, set aside, and recycle. So, I don't know, I just throw everything in my recycle bin. So. And then you want to take this insert out right here and make sure there's nothing underneath it just in case. So, alright, that's it. That's unboxing the EveryPlate. I'm going to go put all this stuff away now. Thanks.